All right, how's everybody doing here? About 15 minutes after the hour here, 1 o'clock, sitting around 1:16. All right, just wanted to get on and show you this picture right here. Okay, um, we had a little bit of volume early on, and it's everything's been real tacky. So this is an absolute mess. Okay, nothing to talk about here. Are they going to get out? We'll see. Um, Still got the shooter down on the week here, holding green, and that's your day today. All right, so trying to get something going on, but there is nothing going on. All right, take a look at the cues. Same problem here. All right, we got nothing going on here. We're all wicked up on both sides. All right, so very much indecision, but still holding up on the week. Okay, so that's, I think, the only thing that's really telling us right now. And diamond's another one here. You see it. All right, so messy, messy, messy. Shooter down on the week on diamonds, and trying to hammer up on the day. All right, so in conflict all over the place. All right, so hence the reason why we got a few things that are moving, and it's energy. All right, energy's been moving. All right, we look at ConocoPhillips here, COP. Um, Starting to come back in a little bit now on the 212 back in. All right. Backing off a little bit here, and they've been strong all day to the 2 up. All right. So you got the 212 trying to break the guy a little bit lower there. All right. Coming back inside on ConocoPhillips. Exxon made a nice move early on with this move here at the start of the day with the 3-2, and then you got the 2 wicked up in here, and then you get the 2 up. Now you got chopping. All right. That's all that is chopping. All right, so trying to come back up a little bit there on Exxon, still up 1.82% for the day on the move to the upside. All right, we'll look at Utco real quick. And oil's not breaking here. They are holding up today. All right, up 7.53% today on the Yuko. This is at least a better looking chart. All right, 2-2 up, trying to get back up to the highs of the day on the crude. So crude has been good. The slash CL was higher, was up over 10%. It has pulled back as well. All right, so came back inside in here, and now it's trying to pick it back up again on the 30. All right, so again, energy a little bit better. Oxy had a nice move to the upside for sure early on. Just had a beast of a move to the upside and then went into Chopville. All right, so energy a little better there, and then you got some utilities. Utilities came out ripping again, and then you got the chop coming back inside. You see that? All right, so it's the 2-1, 2-1 doing nothing. All right, so the utilities and energy is really the only place where we're getting any strength. There's a little tech love out there, though. XLK, it's not doing anything here. All right, there's your 60s. But if there was a group that could maybe get it together, it could possibly be them. But they haven't showed that hand at all today. All right, but if there was a candidate, I would think that might be it. All right, Cisco's been holding up pretty well here today. It's holding up. All right, that's all I can say. All right, on the 60s, it looks better. All right, but you see what it's doing right here, right now. All right, it's doing nothing, down 15 cents on the day right now. All right, so futures starting to come back down a little bit here. We just continue to chop on 60s. I just wanted to pop on and just just reassure you that there's absolutely nothing going on, and there's nothing moving at all. We did get the 10 years up to 425, so you get the yields rising and you get the dollar strong. All right. VIX today got up to 27.22. It's backed off by about $1 and change now, coming back down as well. All right, so the stocks that have been pretty good today, Larry Yellow Boy, we gave you these ones this morning. Lyondell's having a great day to the upside there. Archer Daniels Midland, pretty decent day to the upside. All right, ADM. There you go. It's kind of coming back inside with this business right here. All right, Archer Daniels pretty good. Dow, DOW, continuation with the upside on the daily with the 212 gapper up. All right, so Dow continues to be stronger, coming back up on 60, kind of backing off a little bit right now. All right, so agricultural stocks a little bit better. Again, utilities and energy. All right. NASDAQ, I see starting to real chop, real playing it real close to the vest. So not too much moving around, guys. All right. So I'm going to let you be at that. I'll try to get something by the end of the day. All right. But pretty dead here. All right. All right. Be good.